Alright, now as we move into our tosses, we have a start position and a prep before we throw our toss. So what's going to happen is we're going to do 4 spins on the right side of our body. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll go hit before we go into our toss position. The saber will grab the hilt. The rifle will grab splitting the swivel and the bolt at a left flat. From here, we'll go into our lock position. Now as we lock, this is the position that we're about to release the weapon into the air from. Our arm on top has our elbow out. It's a nice flat, very strong. Same as for the saber. The saber is holding at the bottom here, right where our hilt is. From here, we will push down with the right hand into our down position, and then we'll go to our release position. We're starting with throwing a double. So from right now, what's going to happen is we're going to release right from chest level to release our double. So let's do 4 spins, plus our hit, plus our lock, and stopping at the release point, not releasing the equipment. 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, push and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a hit, hold, lock, hold, and stop. And hold it there. So notice, as we release here, that the rifle is nice and straight, and as it leaves, go ahead and relax out. As it leaves his hand, his fingers will go straight up. Go ahead and open your fingers. Fingers will open straight up. Wherever your fingers are pointing is the direction that your equipment will travel. So as the rifle travels around, we'll then come back down into his hands where he will lift the right hand to catch under, right at the neck. The left hand will catch right at the tip, covering the tip of the rifle. Same thing will happen for the saber. Go ahead and go to your release point. Release point is right here at your chest level for a double rotation. Same thing, her fingers will open straight to the ceiling. This is where her release point will be as the weapon travels around. She will catch right hand on the blade at the catch position where our catch tape is. The left hand will catch right on top of the basket in a nice strong position. So let's go ahead and throw a double together. And 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, push and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a hit, hold, lock, hold down, out, and 2, and. Now, as we throw our rotations, our technique and our counting, we catch a double on count 2 and. For every additional rotation, we'll add a half a count. So as we up our rotations to a triple, we will now catch a triple on count 3. We'll also increase the release point on our body. So releasing a double at our chest will increase for a triple. Our release point will be at our shoulder. For a quad, we'll release at our ear. For a 5, we'll release in an L position. For a 6, our arm is slightly bent. And for a 7, our fingers are fully extended. Anything above and beyond is fully extended. So let's go ahead and throw a triple together. So now we increase our catch time by half a count, catching on count 3. And we increase our equipment release point on our body from our chest to our shoulder. And 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, push and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a hit, hold and lock, hold down, out, 2, and 3. Very nice. Now from here we'll release our quad. Our quad, remember this time, will release from our ear as our rotations get higher. We will now catch our quad on count 3 and. 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, push and 1, 2,